Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Right now, my students want to read the text or story. Are you ready, girls?
Ready, sir.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Strong or weak, there was a broad
Louder, please.
fallen
Mhm.
tree in the forest.
Mhm.
He was tall and strong. There was a small herb next to the tree. The thick tree said, "I'm very handsome and strong. No one can defeat me." Hearing this, the herb replied, "Dear friend, too much
Pride.
pride is harmful. Even the strong will fall one day." The thief ignored the herb's words. He continued to praise himself. A strong wind blew. The thief stood firmly, even when it rained. The thief stood strong by spreading its leaves. During these times, the herb burns low. The thief made fun of the herb. One day, there was a storm kept growing stronger. The thief could no longer bear it. He felt his strength giving away. He tried his best to stand upright, but in the end, he fell down. That was the end of the proud tree. When everything was quiet again, the herb stood straight. He
Look.
looked around. He saw that the proud tree had fallen.
Alright. Thanks everyone for watching our video. And they are Icut and Afifah. Okay, say salam. Wassalam.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and ring the bell. Okay?